How to request your data on Instagram. What is up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily request data or download data from Instagram. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. On that note, let's get right into the video. The first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Instagram and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're logged in, you just head over to your profile icon by tapping on it at the bottom right. Just tap on your profile like this. And once you land on your profile page, you'll see the hamburger menu at the top right corner. Just tap on it and then simply tap on Account Center. Now from here, all you have to do is to go ahead and tap on your information and permissions and then click on download your information. So if you have made any past requests for your information, you'll be able to see it right here by tapping on view past information. But if you want to download or transfer information to request a new one, just go ahead and tap on it and select your Instagram account. Now tap on next. And then if you want to download all available information, including a complete copy that will include your messages, media, comments, your likes, and everything else. But if you just want specific information, you could choose it from here. So go ahead and choose what kind of information you want. If you want, you could just click on select all and then click on next. And after doing that, you could click on download to device and then click on create files. And you can also select your date range. And if your download information is ready, you'll have a download option right here instead of cancel, and you can download your information from there. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.